How girls dress while giving a presentation. It is essential to approach this topic with respect and understanding that each individual has their own personal style and preferences when it comes to dressing for a presentation. There is no one-size-fits-all answer, and it's important not to stereotype or generalize based on gender. People, regardless of their gender, should dress in a professional and appropriate manner for a presentation. Here are some general tips for dressing professionally during a presentation. Comfort and confidence. Choose an outfit that makes you feel comfortable and confident. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it positively impacts your presentation delivery. Appropriateness. Consider the nature of the presentation and the audience you will be addressing. Dress appropriately for the occasion, whether it's a formal business setting or a more casual environment. Business casual. For most presentations, a business casual attire is a safe choice. This can include slacks or a skirt paired with a blouse or a professional-looking dress. Avoid distractions. Dress in a way that doesn't distract from your presentation content. Avoid overly revealing or flashy clothing that might take the focus away from your message. Neat and clean. Make sure your outfit is clean, well-pressed, and free from wrinkles. Attention to detail is crucial in making a good impression. Colors and patterns. Stick to colors and patterns that are not too bold or distracting. Neutral colors and subtle patterns generally work well for professional presentations. Comfortable shoes. If you'll be standing for an extended period during your presentation, choose comfortable shoes that are still appropriate for the outfit. Minimal accessories. Keep accessories simple and minimal. A few tasteful pieces can complement your attire, but avoid excessive or noisy jewelry. Consider cultural norms. If you are giving a presentation in a different cultural setting, be mindful of local dress norms and customs. Remember, the key is to dress professionally and in a way that represents your confidence and expertise. What is most important is the content and delivery of your presentation, so focus on preparing well and engaging your audience effectively.